Okay guys, here we go, new video.
Okay guys, so we're gonna do a trailer winch box, and they brought it to us today. And the reason why they brought it to us is because it's already getting rusted from the inside and outside. So we're gonna scuff it off from the inside and outside and Raptor'ed all the way around from the inside and outside.
Okay guys, so what's the first step?
So the first step we're gonna do is we're gonna scuff it up, all the outside and the back, the inside, the outside, everything. And then we're gonna put paint thinner and adhesive promoter, and then mix up the Raptor and Raptor all around and the inside, and see how it turns out. We're gonna start scuffing it up, but first from the inside, the customer told us that he didn't want the wires to get all Raptored and have paint all over them. So we're gonna take out the wires, and he told us not to take this out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tape it up and cover it. So, all right. We're just gonna scuff it up from the outside for now. Right? You too.
Okay guys, so we're pretty much done sanding it all the way around and from the inside too. And we're gonna start cleaning it with paint thinner. And as soon as it's all done cleaning, we're gonna add some adhesive promoter. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done cleaning it with paint thinner. All we have to do is tape up all the way around the toolbox and the tool winch. And it's pretty easy, it's all the way around, not that much tape. And we're gonna tape up the little piston right here. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done taping the piston around the toolbox and the winch, and we're gonna start adding the adhesive promoter. And the guy doesn't really care about if this gets with paint. It's black and black, so it doesn't really matter. So all he wants is just the toolbox Raptor'ed. So let's start adding the adhesive promoter.
Alright guys, so this is a solar panel that the guy bought so he can keep his battery alive. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna Raptor the whole plastic part around it, and I'm gonna tape up the screen so none of the Raptor can get on it. So I'm just gonna scuff it up right now a little bit, clean it up with some paint thinner, and we're gonna Raptor it. Alright guys, so I'm done scuffing it up all the way around. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna put some paint thinner on it to clean it. Alright, so I'm done putting paint thinner, cleaning with paint thinner all around. So I'm just gonna let it dry there and then come back when it's done dry, and I'm gonna put some adhesive promoter on it. Alright guys, so the paint thinner has dried. What we're gonna put on next is a adhesive promoter. So all we're gonna do now is get the Raptor ready, and y'all probably already know how to do it since we had showed you in the other video. So let's just get right to it. You want to shake it, like I said before in the other videos. You want to shake it about a minute, two. Once you're done shaking it, you put it up to the other line. All right, guys. So we're done doing everything to the toolbox. So now all we're gonna do is the Raptor and see how it turns out. Alright guys, so we're done doing the first coat. Now we're just gonna let it sit there and dry for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna come back and do the second pass. Alright guys, so the first coat we already let it sit there for about 20 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it the second coat. I'm gonna go from the inside to the outside. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait about an hour for it to dry, and then we're gonna put everything back together. We're gonna take off the tape and everything, so let's wait an hour. Alright guys, so we waited about an hour already, so now what we're gonna do is take off the tape. So not a lot of tape, just a little bit.
Okay guys, so what's next? You guys are gonna put this thing back together?
Yeah, we're gonna put it back
We're
together.
gonna put everything back together and make it work again.
That's looking really clean, guys. Really clean.
Alright guys, so we're done with the toolbox and everything. Came out pretty nice and also very textured. Well, even the inside looks real nice. Everything is connected. And the solar panel came out the same way, real nice and connected. But the customer asked us if we can put it on right here, so we're gonna put on the solar panel right there. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the solar panel on the toolbox with the trailer. And well, we had asked the owner what was he gonna do with the trailer, like what was his intention of doing with it. He told us that he was gonna sell it, and we got a little lucky break, and he sold it to us because we were looking to buy one. And what we did, we painted it black all the way around, and we took out the old floor and put new wood floor. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna stain the wood. Alright guys, when we put on the new floor, we had seen that there was some kind of substance, this white substance right on here. And what I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna sand it off.
Alright guys, while he does that, we're gonna go check out over here what Kafu's doing. What's up, Kafu? What you doing?
I am painting the rails black so it won't get all rusted and ugly. So this will prevent it from doing that. So I just need this one and this side and that one over.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and let them work.
Alright guys, so we're done with the first coat. So we're just gonna let it dry and then come back with and do the second coat.
Alright guys, let's let it dry.
Okay guys, so it has been raining for a couple of days and we managed to finish the whole trailer. We started off with the toolbox. We Raptor'ed all the way around and inside the toolbox. And the customer wanted to sell this whole trailer, so we bought it off of him. And we, as you can see, we took off all the boards that look ugly and we replaced them with new boards and painted them. And we painted the whole trailer all the way around and it looks brand new, as you can see.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a look. Check it out. Has a trailer box, has a winch, no cables, battery powered. This guy's put some hooks in the back.
Alright guys, so that pretty much is it for this trailer. So like and subscribe.